Hi, first let's start Qt Creator. As you can see, I have created a shortcut for Qt Creator on my desktop, but we can launch Qt Creator from Start menu, All Programs, Qt SDK, Qt Creator. In this video, we will create new project in Qt SDK. This will be our first project. Goal of this video is to create Hello World app for Nokia Symbian free phones using Qt components. Qt components are ready-to-use UI elements for QML. Few examples of components are buttons, sliders, text fields, scroll bars, and so on. They share look and feel of the native platform. As Qt is cross-platform framework, components will adapt their look and feel to the platform you compiled your app for. This is cool because your app will look like native app. QML is declarative language used in Qt to describe user interface. QML describes how UI looks and how it behaves. When Qt Creator starts, it looks like this. On the left, you have mode selector column. We are currently in welcome mode. Here you can see featured news. You can open an existing project or create a new one. In Getting Started tab, you can find example code and tutorials for them. In Developer tab, there are recently edited projects. Since this is our first time in Qt Creator, there are a few example projects here. Welcome mode can look different from this depending on which version of Qt SDK you use and depending if you are updated or not. Functionality is always the same and they only change the appearance. When Qt Creator launches, it checks for the latest updates. If it finds them, it shows icon in the left column, like this. Recently I did a video on updating, so this shouldn't be hard for you. Let's see what updates are available. Just double click the update icon. The same Maintain Qt SDK app is launched. Click Next to check what updates are available. So it looks like Qt Creator documentation is updated. This is installed version and this is new version. So let's install the newer documentation. Okay, so it looks like we have to close down Qt Creator in order to successfully update documentation. I will do that now. Hit retry. The update is finished. We just click next, restart, and we can close. Let's get started. We will launch Qt Creator again. As we can see, the Qt Creator is updated and welcome mode has changed its appearance. But basically the functionality is the same. Let's get started with our Hello World project. First, we have to create a new project. You can create a new project by clicking Create Project button, or you can go to File, New File or Project. Choose Qt Quick Project from Project section and Qt Quick Application. Click on the Choose button. Here you can add a name of the project. I will call my project Hello World. My project will be stored in folder located on C drive. Folder is Qt Quick Learning. After this, click Next button. Under Qt Quick Application type, choose Qt Quick Components for Symbian. This Hello World application will be for Symbian phones. Click Next. For target, choose only Qt Simulator for now, because we are going to run this code only in Simulator. If you plan on running this on Symbian device, you can choose Symbian device as well. We will cover running on devices later in the series. The targets can be also added later. Click Next. Here you can add a version control for the application. We won't do that now, so just click Finish. And finally, here is the code. We will explain what this code means in our next tutorial. Let's just have a look around for now. As you can see, we are in editor mode. This means we can edit and write text files. Currently, we are looking at main QML file, as you can see here. This is the content of main QML file. So main QML file describes how our user interface looks. Now switch to design mode to see how this QML file looks like. So it's kind of a preview of this code. Okay, now we can see message QML module is not found. If you have seen my first video, then you shouldn't see this message. If you see this message, you have to install Qt Quick support for Qt Creator and Simulator. Let's do this. I also did a short video on this, so you can watch it. Go to Help, Start Updater, choose Package Manager, Next, go to APIs, make this bigger, Qt Quick Components for Symbian, Qt Quick Components for Symbian Simulator, and put the checkbox here. Click Next, click Update, and show details. If you have already updated before, then you don't have to do this again. Okay, update is finished. Click Next, restart, and close Maintain Qt SDK. Now we have to restart Qt Creator again. First, let's save all the changes to the project. We haven't changed anything, but let's save it anyway. Go to File and click Save All. Close Qt Creator and restart it again. As you can see, under recently edited projects, we have our Hello World application. So just double click it to open it. Open the QML folder and double click on main QML. Okay, so let's open main QML in Designer. As you can see, our warning message is gone and we can see Hello World message. Okay, let's get back to editor mode. We will cover Designer in later episodes. So we want to run this code and we will see the code running inside the simulator. First, we have to click Build Project button. We can see the status of the build here. We can switch on Compile Output. So this is like console view. Okay, so the build is over. Now we can run our project. Okay, you can see the simulator here. We can change its size. It says Hello World, so everything is working. In the simulator, we can change orientation of the simulator. You can change the appearance, and there are many other things we can do with the simulator. We will cover that in our next tutorials. Okay, so we are finished for today. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to it, like it, comment on it. In our next tutorial, we will actually explain the code here and how did you get to the Hello World message here. So stay tuned. Many interesting things are coming up next.